Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So the first bike we got in here in the new Daytona, Florida shop was a 2015 Street Glide. So on this bike we decided to do a NVS Audio Stage 3. So it got Cicada CH in the fairing, two FLX 700 amplifiers in the fairing, HCAD Mini DSP, NVS Audio T-harness, Hertz 690 Neos in the lids, and Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. We upgraded the battery to a Braille AGM battery, and bike sounds phenomenal. Check out the build.
Already know. Te boté como voto los Benjamines. Illuminati, ya no hay nadie que te ilumine. Te boté como el medio millo que exploté con el ruso naco fiao, cao como es. Ahora no venga tú a decir.
You're back. You don't know how to record.
If I ever fall in love again, next time the lady will be just like you.
The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one. But I was caught up invisible attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you're more.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down.